Hello, welcome. Are you still worried about electricity? No, worry no more. Here is answer for your electricity need. Solar system without battery. The sun does the job for you. Just get this solar system, Meteorite solar system without battery. Connect the solar panel according to your electricity needs. It powers all your electrical appliances, your DC devices, your AC devices, your bulbs, your electric fan, electric iron or solar iron. You can use it to cook to save money for cooking gas. You have fan blowing on you every day from morning till night. Your fridge it will be working every day from morning till night. Your refrigerator will be working, it power your refrigerator every day from morning till night without need for battery, without need for NEPA, without need for spending money on fuel again. That your loudspeaker can work every day. You can preach your gospel, charge your power bank, your laptops, work online. Is it television you're interested in? You can watch television, watch that's your satellite dish from morning till evening every day. No need for battery, no need for fuel, no need for waiting for NEPA. All your appliances, Meteorite Solar System power them for you. Call us now, Meteorite Solar Company, the energy provider. 09025 383 497. I repeat, 09025 383 497. Meteorite solar system. Enjoy solar system without battery and avoid any worry about battery running down, fuel finishing in the generator, or NEPA taking life. Electricity for life.